When you talk to my parents about how I ended up at Lincoln Laboratory, they're gonna tell you it goes back to 5th grade, where I spent winter break in my grandfather's basement with his landscaping laser, trying to see if I could steer the beam and what those different materials did. I didn't know it at that time, but that was looking at different refractive indices of materials. There was always that curiosity, but there was the creativity to just run wild with it. I started taking engineering classes in 7th grade, and now I work in an integrated photonics lab, testing and characterizing the dye that come out of the wafers produced in the microelectronics laboratory. My name is Morgan Kaler, and I ended up working here at MIT Lincoln Lab. I call myself a lab rat affectionately. I love it. I spend the day in the lab doing a lot of manual fine testing, collecting the data. Instead of sending electrons through wires, you're sending photons, light, through waveguides. Rather than voltage and current, you're looking at the amount of photons you see on a detector. Sometimes you're talking about really fine precision measurements. I look at a power meter all day going, is this the best? Can I get it better? So that we can achieve our broader goals. Being able to take a lab full of optics and put it on a chip and take it out of the lab, that is the dream. You really need to know that things are going to break or they're not going to work, and you have to be able to problem solve and figure out why. And that's the fun part, because that's where the discoveries happen. It's just this whole iterative cycle. It's not always easy, but it is worth it to keep pushing through. I think I still am trying to be the best scientist I can be, and every day that evolves. You are always collaborating with other people and lifting each other up. There are people that are going to want to help you, and it's okay to accept the help. That was a hard lesson to learn. It's okay to accept that help, and you'll go farther than you can ever imagine.